Going to unbox my Saddleback leather. Leather. Shh. Wow. Everything I expected. Delicious leather. Got a man to pump up this thing. Got a little note there. We banged on your backpack straps with a hammer. Looking good. Back straps. Alright.
Show the compartments.
Show them good. So this came in it. It's a like a leather divider. I don't know if it's like the same thing as a mouse pad, but pretty cool. You can just take it out if you don't need it. Goes in there like that. Definitely nice soft pigskin. Very soft and kind of dull, which is good. Nice copper rivets. Unlined pocket there. And then you got the side pockets. Little cards. There's something else here. What is this? Personal. Okay. Personal vow verses of salvation assurance. Pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Gotta like their values. And you got some side pockets. Really like the look of this leather. Definitely can't wait to get some use out of it and see what it looks like after some good use. Tell me the good news. And there she goes.